Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Catnap from Poppy Playtime 3. So first let's get started on the right hand side, and we're going to start by drawing a small oval in the center for the center of the eye. Let's flip over towards the left hand side, leaving a small gap, and we'll replicate that. Moving around both eyes now, we're going to draw in an even bigger oval shape for the rest of the eye. And then we'll do the same thing as we move over on the left. In the middle, we're going to draw a curved line from left to right for the nose. And then we'll connect that together on the bottom with an arch line. For the mouth now, on either side, we're going to draw a small curved line from left to right. On the top, we're going to arch this line around and then up. And we'll do the same thing over on the left. Starting on the bottom now, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the middle. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right. In the center, we're going to curve this line up and then down for the tongue. And then we'll do the same thing, curving that out and down on the right. For the cheek now on either side, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then moving underneath that, we're going to curve that around and then up. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around, bringing that in towards the middle. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right-hand side. In the center now, we're going to curve this up and then out on the right. And then in the middle, we're going to curve that back up and then down, following that shape. For the eyebrows, we're going to draw a curved line on the right and left-hand side. And now let's draw the ears. So on the right-hand side, we're going to arch this line up, bringing that down. And then we'll move over to the left, replicating that, curving that up, and then back down. In the center, we'll copy this now, making this smaller. So we're going to curve this up, back down, and we'll do the same thing over on the left. Moving directly in towards the middle now, we're going to draw in the letter C. Starting at that point, we're going to curve this all the way back around, connecting that in on the bottom in the corner. And now on either side, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes in towards the chin. Let's draw in the body now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line in, bring this out, and then in towards the middle. We'll do the same thing on the right, in, bringing this out, curving this all the way back around, connecting that on the bottom. Let's draw in our arms now. So on either side, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out. For our first finger, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And we'll do the same thing over on the left. For the thumb, we're going to continue to curve this out and then back up. And again, we'll do this on both sides. And then now from here, we're going to curve this line in towards the bottom of the body. For our center finger now, we're going to curve this line around and then up. First, let's draw the tail and then we'll draw on the legs. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around, up. Starting back on this line, we're going to arch this around, bringing this all the way in towards the side. On the right, we're going to continue to bring this around, so we're going to curve this around, bringing this down. Moving below this, we'll replicate that, curving this around, back down. On the outside line, we'll continue to curve this around and then up. And we'll follow this pattern on the inside. As we come in towards the center now, we're going to curve this up towards the top, bringing that back down. We'll do the same thing over on the left. And now from here, starting on this line, we'll continue to curve this all the way around and then in towards our hand. And then we'll do the same thing on the bottom. For the wrist, we're going to draw a small curved line that arches out on either side. And now let's draw on the legs. So on the inside, we're going to draw a curved line that arches in on either side. On the right hand side, we're going to curve this line out. We'll do the same thing on the left, ending that at the same height. And now from here, starting on this line, we're going to arch this around and then down. And now from here on the ankle, we're going to curve this line around and then out. Same height. We'll do the same thing on the left hand side. And then on the right foot, we're going to draw two curved lines that arch up. And we'll do the same, but just one time on the left. And that is it. That's how you draw Catnap from Poppy Playtime 3. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.